I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, as promised, Chip, invite only. Without waste of time. Let's go.
Yeah, it's invite only. Don't call me, I'll call you. This one's a celebration, man.
Man said, don't call me, I'll call you. It's a celebration.
We throw birthday parties too. Chippy, chat to them.
I ain't impressed. If you're in your 40s, 50s next. I'm not a part of the underachievers. Bored and more time I pick up this pen. Who's gonna tell kids trapping ain't cool? Who's gonna tell kids stabbing ain't cool? Who's gonna tell kids just stay in school? Push come shove, do what you gotta do, but
one thing with Chip, he's never preached the badness. He's never tell you, listen, I'm a gangster, I'm a this, I'm a that, I'm a street youth. He's never tell you that. Chip is always maintain and say, yo, listen, I will murk you when it come out to the bars, bro. I will deal with you different when it come out to the bars, bro. Big up yourself, Chip. Big up yourself, Chip.
Yeah, it's invite only. Don't call me, I'll call you. This one's a celebration, man. We throw birthday parties too. Chippy, chat to them.
I ain't impressed. If you're in your 40s, 50s next. I'm not a part of the underachievers. Bored and more time I pick up this pen. Who's gonna tell kids trapping ain't cool? Who's gonna tell kids stabbing ain't cool? Who's gonna tell kids just stay in school? Push come shove, do what you gotta do, but listen, I ain't these MCs out here sniffing. I ain't these MCs putting my hands on the mic, going home putting hands on women. I don't really care if man's flying all tough. Niggas can't style me, I know too much. Most of these niggas listen, I ain't these MCs out here sniffing. I ain't these MCs putting my hands on the mic, going home putting hands on women.
I'm not these MCs going out there putting hands on mic, then going on put them hands on woman.
I don't really care if man's flying all tough. Niggas can't style me, I know too much. Most of these niggas more time only bad for their friends. I don't really call that rough, I don't really call that tough. See through all that stuff, he ain't no G's, just enough. Trolling the comments and stuff, gotta be sniff, not bud. Yo, what's your legacy, cuz you ain't legendary, bruv. Nigga, this God, not luck. I be like, honestly, mind what you say about me, cuz I'm telling you, God doesn't. I don't really call my nigga.
I was telling you, mind what you say about me, because God doesn't really like ugly. That was the bar he left off of that on purpose, by the way.
I be like, honestly, mind what you say about me, cause I'm telling you, God doesn't. I don't really call my niggas when I'm just spitting. Bro, this bar's not image. Chatting about North, me, I truly do know who's wicked. Who you gonna scare just spitting? Channeling, how could they blur my vision? Too nice with these words and rhythms. They doing freestyle after freestyle, going nowhere. Sorry, it's just not given. How you been rapping and trapping like 20 years straight and got one little watch and no yard of the gate? Bro,
how you been rapping for 20 years and trapping and only have one little watch and a yard with no gate? Not even one little fence around it.
It's just not given. How you been rapping and trapping like 20 years straight and got one little watch and no yard with a gate? Bro,
oh, one little watch and no yard with a gate.
Got a line but a house in LA. Joke, man, you ain't on par with the greats. Spitters on a full ting. Stick to the plan, not the mood I'm in. Chippy got flows and he got content, pun intended. Yeah, YouTube ting like what's your MO?
Chippy got flows and he got content, pun intended, man. YouTube ting.
I'm in. Chippy got flows and he got content, pun intended. Yeah, YouTube ting like what's your MO? Walk anywhere, everyone says hello. 20 man set, but somehow I glow. Now why these fuck niggas hitting my phone? MJ ting, nah, leave me alone. I don't wanna mix or hang. I don't wanna mic if it's from your hands. Yo, can't run out of bars, they need lyrics. Gangster moving like an idiot. Hungry niggas doing what they do, but dissing me is not a meal ticket. Me, I grab the mic, they wheeling it. If you grab the mic, we leaving it.
Wait.
Why you do it, John?
I don't want to mic if it's from your hands.
No, I don't want to mic if it's from your hands, bro. Listen, tell them again.
Can't run out of bars, they need lyrics. Gangster moving like an idiot.
Yeah.
Hungry niggas doing what they do, but dissing me is not a meal ticket.
Hungry niggas doing what they do, but this is me, not a meal ticket, me G. Not a meal ticket, don't do that. Suicide.
Like an idiot. Hungry niggas doing what they do, but this in me is not a meal ticket. Me, I grab the mic, they wheeling it. If you grab the mic, we leaving it. Cross the line, it's up and maybe stuck, nigga. I ain't really with the reasoning. Veteran and got the seasoning. If I pepper that, he's gone, I'm leaving it. Negro in the mirror, take a good look. That's the person that you're beefing with. These men are worse than Gallus, I'm jolting. Hang with anybody that's got motion. Mention my name and they say what they say, but they just can't take away my thing's golden.
Come on, cuz. You already know that it's golden, you know what I'm saying? And you already know that you're chosen. But hear what I'm screaming though, man. It's GRM daily. It's cash motto. 15 years plus in the game. It's not easy work, you know what I'm saying? We just make the shit look easy. But yo, Chip, it's your birthday.
Give me one more. Nah, that didn't work. You done your big one, that didn't work. Nigga, that's nonsense, that's not a verse. This ain't MC, a man's mashing the works. I don't push badness, I'm cool on the curb. Still pack my bag, knowing that this thing works. Jealousy, it comes with a gift as a curse. From 16, been about business. From 16, been about business first. That's how I got up in the business first. Bust from my block to the top of the charts with showers round me, not no business nerds. You can stay there thinking I'm a fool. I don't respect your gangster at all. This stage in my career, I'll quit before I clash somebody on no one's list. In a battle with yourself, either way you win. I ain't got time for a prick. Dry out niggas ain't making no drinks. His life is cooked. I ain't got to put him in a riz. Certain MC the gift as a curse. From 16 been about business. From 16 been about business first. That's how I got up in the business first. Bust from my block to the top of the charts with showers round me, not no business nerds. You can stay there thinking I'm a fool. I don't respect your gangster at all. This stage in my career, I'll quit before I clash somebody on no one's list. In a battle with yourself, either way you win. I ain't got time for a prick. Dry out niggas ain't making no drinks. His life is cooked. I ain't got to put him in a riz. Certain MCs should MC at home. What? All that spitting and you got no shows. All that spitting and
you got no shows. Certain MC should just yeah them yard.
put him in a riz. Certain MCs should MC at home. What? All that spitting and you got no shows. All that spitting and you got no dough. Fuck boy, stop writing lines. Go build one in music. I'm not your ladder or hope. Crap that you're on, no Cali or Coke. I'm not the seed that you want for your nose. I'm not the seed that you want for your smoke. I don't want to hear about Premier League down to conference. This ain't 10 years ago. And 10 years before that, where was you? You better mind that you mix up lambs with. You better mind that you mix up lambs with goats. I see a joke, man, struggling cold. Niggas flew.
Man said, man, you mix up lamb with goat. Don't bumbuckler get it twisted. Don't get it twisted.
Mix up lambs with. You better mind that you mix up lambs with goats. I see a joke, man, struggling cold. Niggas flew one hit and then they plans up. Teacher ain't picking everybody with their hands up. Put your hands down, ain't no more handouts. Furthermore, just keep your hands to yourself. But handle me, you can't even handle yourself. It's mental health.
Well, handle me, you can't handle yourself. You know what?
Down ain't no more handouts. Furthermore, just keep your hands to yourself. But handle me, you can't even handle yourself. It's mental health, desperation, delusion. Drop your pen to scan, strangle yourself. You don't want
Bumbleclot. Binds up. Which part?
Come in a foreign.
Why you do it, John Cross?
a diss from me, you need help. But you think a diss from me might help. It's plain to see, receiving a diss from me. Send an MC into wealth, so desperation, delusion, drop your pen to scan, strangle yourself. You don't want a diss from me, you need help. But you think a diss from me might help. It's plain to see, receiving a diss from me. Send an MC into wealth, so what I look like trying to clash for a 10 with a spank. To reply, the price is an M. I ain't gotta bother with tramps. Diss me and comments start hollering back. I can stay quiet, don't tell him his pants. Better than Chip, no way, it's not that.
Man say, I can stay quiet. Comment to tell him, say, my shit, my pants, him not good. Comment, I go tell it, yo, ambush.
Diss me and comments start hollering back. I can stay quiet, don't tell him his pants. Better than Chip, no way, it's not that. Better than Chip, no way, it's not facts. Better than Chip, no way, he's on crack. Always the person doing the capping, hooting online, saying everyone caps. I'm in a dancing tea, like run up them cars. I ain't got a, but sure does. Chip, I had P from 16. These niggas ain't running up nothing but gums. Quick little 60 the past few months. These times I ain't been studio once. Everyone knows I ain't sold no ounce, but allow me, I beg, you ain't sold no house.
The man say, yo, everybody know I ain't sold no ounce. I told you that. Chip has never portrayed that image. He's never portrayed that. Everyone knows he ain't never sold no ounce. But I bet you say you haven't sold no houses because you ain't got nothing to sell. You know, the house with no gate. Chip said that, not me.
I ain't been studio once. Everyone knows I ain't sold no ounce, but allow me, I beg, you ain't sold no house. Some idiot thing and stop bringing up Dookie, I've seen him since. See me outside, 2 decks and a mic in my hand, I take part in the scene I'm in. Grime scene savior, I brought man back outside, so let's leave all the cap outside. I'm on a set with about 25 MCs and you're not one that we want inside. I'm like, you're not one that can bring anything. Are you foolish, man? When I touch mic, it's boom and bam. Don't mix me with the doomed and damned. Already told them I'm bored of the battling thing. Where's the money at? It's not in battling him. Can't battle anybody in a battle with himself. Battle if it's that, I'll be battering things.
Jesus Christ, man. 1 year older. There's still no reason to get that chip off his shoulder. You know what it is. It's invite only. It's
Crazy.
GRM daily.
Crazy fucking Chip is crazy, bro. What's people saying though? Huh? Yo, like, just stop fuck with Chip, bro. Like, just leave Chip alone. Just let Chip retire and just leave him, bro. Ambush? It's long, bro. It's long, bro. Man called Ambush a tramp. Yo. Oh. Ambush, man say a student, brother. Man saying already for this, bro. Yo, let me know what you think about the one in the comment section, please. Yeah? Alright, I'm out.
Yeah, Rars game, but I review your face, the dog. If face, you fuck.